All right, so this is actually a pretty simple algebraic equation. And they've told you all your variables. It says you want to have you want to invest $35,000 in the future. How much money, or you want to invest $35,000. How much money will you have in the future if you invest it for 12 years? So T is equal to 12. So this is just an algebraic equation where you're solving for A. So to solve for A, obviously you divide both sides by the number that's next to A. Those are going to cancel out, and you're going to be left with 35,000 divided by e to the power of negative 0.028 times 12, which is going to end up being 48,976.87. So really all that you need to know how to do on your calculator is to use your E button and your x to the power of y button. So as long as you know how to do that, this is actually a pretty simple question. So I don't know if that helped or not, because if it's the calculator that's a problem, then we can go through that together as well. So let me know, okay?